My name is Kathleen Blasi, and I'm the author of Milo's Moonlight Mission, and I'm thrilled that my book and I got to come here today to open the secret room. Love books. All these families here love books and reading and crafts, and it's a really great way to celebrate a new room for the community of Rochester to enjoy, and I'm really honored to be a part of that.
So I used to come to this secret room with my 5th grade classroom. I came here for a couple of different years, and they always loved seeing the dolls, but now that I have my own kids, it's so fun to come here and see the secret room with a lot more interactive things, a place for authors to come and share their stories like we're doing today. I can see that there's a lot of hands-on things in here, and I just really think it's great for the public library and for all the kids who live in this area.
So I think this room is very cool, and I like how the bookshelf opens up. It's very cool and exciting.
Hi, I think this is such a neat experience for kids that they can explore not only words and sounds, but also art, and create an entire element that develops their lives.
It was really exciting coming into the secret room today. It's been updated and it's much more interactive. Before it just seemed to be with all of the dolls around. I mean, it was wonderful, but I think the kids are really going to enjoy this interactive space. So thank you.
I like the secret room.